Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we confidently call the best tinted moisturizer with SPF and a natural finish. The bareMinerals Complexion Rescue Natural Matte Tinted Moisturizer in the shade Suede 04. This product is more than just a moisturizer. It's a multitasking hero for those who want their skin to look healthy, balanced, and protected. Let's talk about what makes this tinted moisturizer so exceptional. First off, the finish. It gives you that elusive natural matte look. Not flat, not dewy, but perfectly blurred and oil-free. It's like your skin, but filtered, and it lasts up to 12 hours. That's all-day wear with no need to blot, even if you've got oily or combination skin. Now let's look at the formula. It's lightweight, breathable, and blends effortlessly into the skin. You'll notice it builds from sheer to light coverage, so it doesn't look cakey or mask-like. This is perfect for anyone who wants to even out their complexion while still letting their natural skin texture show through. No heavy makeup feeling, just that breathable, second skin comfort. What makes it even better is the built-in mineral-based SPF 30. Not only does it give you coverage, but it also protects your skin from sun damage. That means it's great for everyday use. You're moisturized, protected, and polished all in one step. For anyone who's tired of layering multiple products in the morning, this streamlines your routine in a big way. Application is simple. Shake the tube well before use. That ensures the mattifying mineral powders are evenly distributed. Then squeeze out a pea-sized amount and apply with your fingers or a brush. Start at the center of your face, usually around the cheeks and nose, and blend outwards. You'll notice how smoothly it melts into the skin. It dries down naturally to a matte finish, so give it a moment before layering anything else on top. And if you need a bit more coverage in certain areas, just dab on a little more with your fingertips and press it into the skin. No patchiness, no streaks, just smooth, even tone. As for the color Suede 04, it's a beautiful mid-range shade with neutral undertones that works well for medium skin tones. bareMinerals offers a variety of shades, so you're likely to find a match that suits your skin perfectly. Another win? It's vegan and clean, free from oil, parabens, and other common irritants. If you're someone who values skincare-infused makeup that's also kind to the environment, this one ticks all the boxes. It's ideal for anyone with oily to combination skin, who wants a fresh, natural look without the shine. If you're always on the go, if you want protection without layering sunscreen separately, or if you simply want to cut down your morning routine while still looking put together, this product was made for you. To sum it up, the bareMinerals Complexion Rescue Natural Matte Tinted Moisturizer in Suede 04 is one of the best multitasking-based products out there. It hydrates, evens out the skin, keeps shine away, and shields you from the sun. Natural finish, clean ingredients, and simple application. It's the kind of product that makes your skin look like your skin, just better. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews that help you cut through the noise. See you next time.